Alright, so there's got a train coming. There's about to be an epic train meet. There's an epic train meet. The Atlantic Coastline Heritage Unit with another train coming. Yep, here it comes. Dude, would it be something with another Heritage Unit? Wouldn't that be something? And this train with another Heritage Unit. The Atlantic Coastline, and imagine this train is another Heritage Unit. That would be so freaking sick. Slow mover though. Both this train, when the train gets going, oh, there's their logo by the way. Atlantic Coastline is the logo. But what an awesome day! This will be day 4 of rail fanning. Yep, guys, day 4 of rail fanning. The train might have stopped. Or it's going up that little embankment right there, and I can't see it. Okay, I think it's moving. Yeah, it's coming, I believe so. I believe it's coming. Oh, this train's moving now. I think so. Oh, never mind. Wait, now this train just moved up a little bit. Yeah, here comes the other train. Atlantic Coastline. Let's go. It don't look like a Heritage Unit, but it can't say UP. It might be a UP little train. I can't tell. And I think it's normal CSX. I think so. Yeah, I think normal CSX, but it could be a Heritage Unit. I'm not sure though. I'm having a battery life for this. Again, 91%. That should be good. Yep, here comes that train. Oh, there goes crossing. There goes the railroad crossing. Oh, that guy's running. We have a runner. We have a runner. UP driver's a runner. What an awesome train meet. One Heritage Unit and possibly another Heritage Unit. Hopefully it is a Heritage Unit, but if not, that's okay. But it's still an awesome train meet. I picked a great day to go rail fanning again. Oh, another runner. Another runner. Another runner. Wow, 3 runners right there. That was 3 runners. Is that a Heritage Unit? Are you actually kidding me? No way. Oh no, I think it's CSX. I think so. Oh, that was moving too. Oh my god, 2 Heritage Units meeting each other. What? What are the odds of that? Dude, what are the odds of 2 Heritage Units meeting each other? What are the odds of that? There goes the other train, moving along. We have Seaboard System and Atlantic Coastline. There goes Atlantic Coastline, one honking at 24 Blackburn Boulevard number 2. You can see it in there. Alright guys, this is my luckiest rail fan trip yet, to be honest. 2 heritage units in Wartrace, Tennessee. Man, I got a show for y'all today. Look across in action there. I think I see DPU on the seaboard one. How lucky, guys. I'm gonna go back on so Bob will record this the whole way. Norfolk Southern right there. Look at that, Norfolk Southern. I might stay right here actually. Guys, what are the odds? I literally was wondering yesterday what happens if I were to catch 2 heritage meeting together, and the next day it freaking happens. What are the freaking odds of that, dude? What are the odds? Wow. This has got to be one of my best days of rail fanning in a pretty good while, I have to say. Yeah, I've just been heading to Tullahoma after this. Hoping we get lucky again. There goes honk for Yell Road, I believe. There goes honk for Yell Road, the Atlantic Coastline Heritage Unit. You can see inside of the car right there. I'm so happy right now, guys. Hold on, guys, let me get back to my spot. Just shot that. Also, a good picture of the Atlantic Coastline Heritage sitting right there, and the box and all in the picture. Hold on. See in there. Supposed to be a very long train meet too, so I might be here for a little while. Okay, this train might come to a stop here soon, so. Yeah, this train is coming to the Seaboard Heritage Unit is coming to a stop, I believe, so. Yeah, this train's coming to a stop. Oh, 100% this train's going to stop, 100%. Whoa. goes. Train stopped. Train is officially stopped now. There goes that train right there. What an awesome day so far. The day, guys, the day just started and it's already an awesome day. Yeah? See how silent it just got? It's really silent since that train stopped. Yeah, I hear Janet. I hear a DPU. Oh, never mind. It was that car? It wasn't DPU. Never mind. That was DPU. It wasn't. Now I hear DPU coming. Here it comes. Should be after this car right here. Two DPUs, what? How lucky was that? Come on guys, you can't get luckier than this during rail thing. You cannot. Let's see, 2 heritage units and 2 DPUs, what? How awesome. This trip is going amazingly so far. Okay, the Atlantic Coast Heritage is trying to move on now. Wow, these are 2 long trains. Oh, I thought that was the end. Oh, this train's trying to move now. Oh, the Seaward Heritage is trying to move now. Wow. The end must be near. If this train's moving, that means the end must be near. Oh, look at that! Do you see that? Whoa! Okay, guys, this is the luck. Okay, guys, this might be the luckiest catch in the world. That was loram. That was the loram grinder. Oh my god, dude, I'm the luckiest human being on Earth right now. Dude, this is the luckiest video. This is definitely the luckiest video I've ever had on my YouTube channel. Luckiest video so far. Like no other rail fanning trip tops this one. Wow. Wow, guys. I'm so impressed right now. It's been my best rail fanning trip yet. This is probably the longest video I've ever done on my YouTube channel, to be honest. Might be. Oh, dude, if there's a crazy DPU on the back of this train, I'm gonna be so impressed. There's DPU in the back of this train right here, which I highly doubt there will be a crazy DPU in the back of this train. I highly doubt it. But if there is, I'm gonna freak out. Trust me, guys, you will not find a lucky catch like this anywhere else on my YouTube channel. You will not find a luckier catch anywhere else on my YouTube channel besides this day right here. Trust me. There's the end. Is that? What is that in the back there? There's the end. I think it's a red cart. But wow, guys. All I gotta say is wow to that. Best train trip of the decade, in my opinion. Or best rail fanning trip of the decade. From 2014 to 2024, this has been the best rail fanning I've ever done in my life. And all took place here in Wartrace. I never would have thought this. And there's the end. There's the end of an awesome train rail fanning day so far. Wow. My excitement is through the roof right now. That was the best. Oh my god, that was so good. Oh. I hope that was normal. There it goes. What an awesome rail fanning trip here in Wartrace, Tennessee. Peace.